decimals. Expanding decimal numbers. Expanding decimal numbers, conversion of decimal to fraction and vice versa. Expanding decimal numbers. You already learned expanding numbers in our previous chapter. Expanding decimal numbers is very much similar to that. For example, if we have to expand the number 123.97, how will we expand it? Very simple. Write it in this form. We can write it as 1 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 9 into 1 by 10 plus 7 into 1 by 100. That is 100 plus 20 plus 3 plus 0.9 plus 0.07. Conversion of fraction to decimal. Sometimes it is very difficult to express fraction to its equivalent decimal. To make it easy, we have an easy method. Let us see how we can easily convert fraction to its equivalent decimal. 3 by 5 is a fraction. To convert it into decimal, we need to convert its base to 10, 100 or 1000. Here, 5 can be converted into 10 by multiplying 2. Therefore, multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So we have 3 into 2 by 5 into 2 is equal to 6 by 10. That is equal to 0.6. Therefore, 0.6 is equivalent decimal of 3 by 5. We have another example to describe. 3 by 4 is a fraction. Now its base is 4. We can convert 4 into 100 by multiplying 25. Therefore, multiply numerator and denominator by 25. 3 into 25 by 4 into 25 is equal to 75 by 100. How many zeros in the base? Right, 2. Therefore, place decimal point in numerator number after 2 digits from right. It is equivalent decimal number of fraction 3 by 4. Conversion of decimal to fraction. 1.04 is a decimal number. As 1 is whole, we have to now convert 0.04 into its equivalent fraction. Write 1.04 as 1 plus 4 by 100. Now, numerator, that is 4, and denominator, that is 100, can be divided by 4. Therefore, 4 ones are 4 and 4 25s are 100. The answer is 1 plus 1 by 25. We can write it as 1 raised to 1 upon 25 or 26 upon 25. Therefore, the fraction 1 raised to 1 by 25 is equivalent of decimal 1.04. Now let us see another example. We have 2.34. Now write it as 2.34 is equal to 2 plus 34 by 100. We know that 34 and 100 is divisible by 2. Therefore, divide both by 2. We get 2.34 is equal to 2 plus 17 by 50. 2 plus 17 by 50 can be also written as 2 and 17 by 50. Therefore, the fraction equivalent of decimal 2.34 is 2 and 17 by 50. Compare decimals. Now, comparing numbers we all know very well. Here, comparing decimal is little bit different. How? Let us see. Let us now compare the numbers 32.55 and 32.5. In this case, we first compare the whole part. The whole part for both the numbers is 32 and hence equal. Therefore, compare the 10th place. The digits are also equal, that is 5. Compare for next place, that is 100th place. The 100th place, digit 5 of first number is greater than the 100th place digit 0 of second number. Therefore, 32.55 is greater than 32.5. Let us see another example. We have now 1.09 and 1.093. Here in this case, the two numbers have same whole part. The 10th place and 100th place digits are also same. But the 1000th place digit, that is 3 of 1.093 is greater than that of 1.09, that is 0. Therefore, 1.093 is greater than 1.09. Using decimals. Decimals are always used in our routine work. In measurements, decimal play a very important role for accuracy. Money. Ramesh needed change of 1 rupee. He went to Aditya. Aditya gave him 2 coins of 50 paise on the behalf of 1 rupee change. That is, 50 plus 50 is equal to 100 paise. Therefore, 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. It means 1 paise is equal to 1 by 100 rupee. Therefore, 1 paise is equal to rupee 0.01. 10 paise is equal to rupee 0.10. 60 paise is equal to rupee 0.60. And 65 paise is equal to rupee 0.65. Now, if you got all the things, can you tell me what is 105 paise? It can be written as 100 plus 5 paise. 100 paise means 1 rupee plus 5 paise means 0.05 rupee. Therefore, 105 paise is equal to 1.05 rupees. I think we already learnt about the units of weight and length. Let us go through a preview. Length. 10 mm is equal to 1 cm. Therefore, 1 mm is equal to 1 by 10 cm or 0.1 cm. 100 cm is equal to 1 meter. Therefore, 1 cm is equal to 1 by 100 meter, that is 0.01 meter. Weight. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Therefore, 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram, that is 0.001 kg. Addition of numbers with decimals. Shinshan went to bazaar. After purchasing, he thought to take an ice cream. He checked his pockets. He found 2 rupees 50 paise in his left pocket and 4 rupees 50 paise in his right pocket. How much total rupees did he find in his pocket? To calculate how much total rupees Shinshan found in his pocket, write the digits of rupees with respect to their places. That is, write 2 rupees 50 paise as 2 on 1's place, 5 on 10th place, and 0 on 100th place. Similar way, below it, write 4 rupees 50 paise as 4 on 1's place, 5 on 10th place, and 0 on 100th place. Now start adding digits place-wise from rightmost. That is, from 100th place, 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Write 0 here and 1 move to next place. That is, at 1's place. Now this 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 7. In this way, Shinshan found 7 rupees in his both pockets. One day, Shinshan travelled 5 km 52 meter by bus, 2 km 265 meter by car, and the rest 1 km 30 meter he walked. How much distance did he travel in all? Now, here the distances are given in kilometers as well as in meters too. We need to convert first meters into kilometers. First, 52 meters can be written as 52 by 1000 kilometer. That is 0.052 kilometers. Therefore, 5 kilometer 52 meter becomes 5 plus 0.052 is equal to 5.052 kilometer. Similar way, 265 meters can be written as 265 by 1000. That is 0.265 kilometer. And 2 kilometer 265 meter becomes 2.265 kilometer. 1 kilometer 30 meter becomes 1.030 kilometer. Now, write its digits place-wise and add it from rightmost. We get 2 plus 5 is 7. 5 plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 14. Place 4 here and move 1 to next place. Now, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 5 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 8. In this way, total distance travelled by Shinshan is 8.347 kilometer. Subtraction of decimals. Sabina has 5 rupees. She gave 1 rupee 50 paise to her younger brother to purchase pencil. How much rupees she has then? Now in this situation, the method of subtraction is very much similar to normal subtraction. Arrange whole part and decimal part of rupees one below the other. Take precaution. Decimal should be below decimal. Now, 0 minus 0 is 0. We cannot subtract 5 from 0. Therefore, take 1 from here. Subtract 5 from 10. We get 5. Here, 4 remains after given 1 in previous step. Therefore, 4 minus 1 is 3. In this way, we get subtraction of 5 and 1.50 is 3.50. Therefore, Sabina has 3 rupees 50 paise. Let us see another example. Shinshan's school is at a distance of 5 km 350 meter from his house. He travels 1 km 70 meter on foot and the rest by bus. How much distance does she travel by bus? Total distance of school from the house is 5.350 kilometers. Distance travelled on foot is 1.070 kilometer. Therefore, distance travelled by bus is equal to 5.350 minus 1.070. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 7 is not possible. Therefore, take 1 from 3. Now, 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. After giving 1, here remains 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. And lastly, 5 minus 1 is 4. We get 4.280 kilometer. That is all in this lesson. Keep learning.